Welcome to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to be proving that a plus b all squared is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared geometrically. Now, if we have a square, this is a square, right? And remember that if I have a here, I have a here. That a times a will give me what? A squared, right? So, with that knowledge, if I have something like a plus b and I have something like a plus b, now it will give me what? A plus b all what? Squared, right? If you multiply the two, right? A plus b all squared, which will give you this, right? Now, if I draw a perpendicular, now I have something like a square here. So when I draw a perpendicular, I can decide to remove this plus and put this thing like this. Okay, let this perpendicular also go to this place. So I can decide to put this like this, A and what? B. So that the total of this place will give me what? A plus what? B. And the total of this place will give me what? A plus B. What are my reasons? Because I have said that this whole place is what? A plus B. So if I split it, the sum of this thing will give me what? A plus B, right? Now, since here is B, right? I'm going to have here to be what? B. And I'm going to also have here to be B, right? So since here is B, here will also be what? B. Here will also be what? B, right? And then here will be what? A. Here will be what? A. Because I say that here is what? A plus B, right? And here is what? A plus B. And here is also A plus B. Here is also what? A plus B. So I have splitted it to be A, B, A plus B, A plus B. So that when you add it, you get our normal A plus B, right? And let me also put here to be what? A plus B. Know that here is also what? From here to here is also what? A plus B. So what are we going to do next? You also know that here is A, right? Here is also A, as simple as that. So I'm just labeling everything. Now, as you can see, this thing is a square, and this thing is a rectangle. This thing is a rectangle, right? And this is a rectangle again, right? Okay, sorry, this one is a square. This one is a square. These two are about rectangle. So now bringing this one, area of this shape, so bringing this square, this smaller one, which is A times A, the sides are the same, as you can see from the diagram, right? So this one, the four sides are what? The same. You can call this one square what? 1. You can call this one rectangle, square, rectangle, and what? Square. Are you there? So when we bring this, we are going to be having CA here, CA, right? So we'll be having what? A squared, right? Which is A times A. We are through with this one. Now let's bring this rectangle. Bringing this rectangle, we are having what? B times what? A. As you can see, only two opposite sides are equal, which is a rectangle. So we are going to have B and what? A. So B times A will give us what? That's area of a rectangle now, length times what? Width, which will give us what? AB or B, anyone. AB. So now let's bring out this rectangle. So we are having B, we are having A, right? So the this thing will be what? The area will be what? A times what? B, which is what? AB, right? Now let's bring out this square. Now this smaller square will give us what? BB, right? B times B, which is what? B square. That is the area. Area. area, which is what? A squared. Hope you are getting it. So we are going to be having what? We are going to sum all the whole areas of these two squares and these two rectangles. So what are we having here? We are having what? Sum of the areas will now be what? A squared, which we got from this square, plus, what do we get here? AB, right? Which we got from this rectangle, AB, plus AB, which we got from this rectangle, then plus B square, which we got from this square, right? So summing it up will give us what? A squared plus B squared, okay. A squared plus AB will give us what? 2AB, then plus B squared. Proved. Hope you can see the dam. Wonderful, sorry. So proved. So do you see that A plus B squared is equal to what? A squared plus 2AB plus what? B squared. I know this thing took us a lot of time, but just sorry for that. Bye bye.